So guys, let's see this USDJPY by the way. So yesterday we did analysis to try and predict where the USDJPY will be moving, and it's actually give us that move. We kind of predict that this USDJPY will actually give us a bullish move. So on the 20, and we actually add this bullish move. So now we are doing analysis for the 21. So actually click on the subscribe button, like and share if you find this helpful. So to actually predict our price for the next day, which is on the 21, we would roll down up to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is how we would understand this price movement. Now see it on this weekly time frame. We all can see one movement, which is an uptrend move, right? We are going bullish on this weekly time frame. This was an impulse move that was made here. A correction again. We saw this impulse move again. Then we add a correction. Now after this correction, another impulse move again. So basically, USDJPY, we are now going bullish, right? That is one. Second is that this our USDJPY, the price is now above the 10 period moving average. This 10 moving average you are seeing here is the 10 period, which means we should actually go long since the price is above the faster moving average, which is actually 10. So once it is above 10, then it is definitely above 20, 50, 200, and so on. Now it is above the 10 period moving average, we should go long. Now to actually go long, we would actually roll down to the daily time frame. Now see this daily time frame, we are bullish, right? One, price is now above the 10 period moving average. Two, which means we should go long. So basically we should analyze some key level, which is around this level here. So basically price came to this level. We saw this huge week which actually dropped on the daily time frame. It actually rose up again to that level again, and it actually dropped. What are we seeing again? We are seeing a rise to that same level again. So basically we would want to see this USDJPY kind of give us like triple top on this USDJPY, then a break above will occur. The reason why I said once this USDJPY actually rose up to this our highs here and we will break above it is that our JPY index, this is the JPY index. This JPY index is actually broke below this level, which was actually ranging. You see, this JPY index was just ranging, right? We saw the support and resistance level. So JPY index broke below the support level, and after it broke below the support level, we now had a pullback. We are now having a pullback on this JPY index. So once this pullback is over, which come to test the support level, as we can see that it should be over anytime soon. Reason why we're having this small candlestick week, because price does not want to give us that bullish huge movement upward. The price is about to be over. So once the price is over, the movement is over upward, then a drop will occur on this JPY index. So basically once we are having this drop on this JPY index, I can assure you that this USD to JPY will actually tap this highs, hit the highs, and even break above and continue to go bullish. So basically on this daily time frame, we are still expecting this USD JPY to actually roll up to this our highs and possibly break above it. So that is what we see on this daily time frame. Now to place this trade, we would roll down to the 4-hour time frame. I prefer placing my trade on the 4-hour time frame. What we all can see on this 4-hour time frame is kind of like a ranging market move. Now let's highlight some key level on this 4-hour time frame. So we would highlight this up as the kind of the resistance level, if you want to call it, or the highs, and we can highlight here as a support level. So basically we should be seeing a ranging market move on the 4-hour time frame. Since the rule of trading is trade what you see and not what you think, then what we clearly can see on this 4-hour time frame is that price is ranging, which means we should actually range with the price. So basically this price is now at the resistance level, right? We should expect it to actually come down to this support level again. Then after it comes down to this support level on the 4-hour time frame, then we should actually roll up again, rise up with this USDJPY to the resistance level, and possibly it drops to the support level again, except if the price actually break above the support level, this resistance level. So once this USDJPY breaks above this resistance level, then very much, very, I can assure you that would actually possibly have a pullback. If not, we very much likely roll up to tap this our highs we have all been talking about on this daily time frame. So once the price actually hits this our highs, we very much see a little bit of a pullback and a breakout of that level that we were expecting to have, or we just talked about. So above all, to trade what we see, what the price is currently showing us is that we are ranging on the 4-hour time frame, which means we should actually range except the price breaks above the resistance on this 4-hour time frame. Then we can actually now go long on this our USD JPY for the day.